Alright, what is up? So today we are going to Finland. So we're leaving soon for the airport, but we're about to leave. So I'm gonna go grab some breakfast, and then but I'm just gonna be documenting the whole entire trip and making some extra videos as well. We're gonna be doing some events that are gonna be really fun and stuff. But so yeah, I guess it's time to go to the airport. Alright, so we made it in to Chicago, and we have a 5-hour layover all the way until we get to our next flight, but we have to change terminals, so we're going to have to take the train to do that. We might have to go through security van, but we'll have to see. So, yeah. It is very cramped, very small. My bag doesn't even fit. We made it in Helsinki, Finland. Alright, so it's Friday right now. The meet / drifting event is tomorrow. We gotta wake up at like 7 a.m., 8 a.m., something like that. It's a 2 to 3 hour drive to get there, but we have tickets for tomorrow, and it's a 4-day long event, but I'm only going for 1 day because tickets are really expensive. But we're gonna be meeting someone there as well, and then there should be keyword drifting on top of the car meet, because across the street from the meet is supposed to be like a track, and this isn't like some super high-end meet, so it won't be like the nicest stuff, but it's still gonna be really fun. Drifting should be sick, but I'm gonna have everything: camera, gimbal, GoPro. So time to go get all that ready, charged up, wipe my SD cards for tomorrow, and then should be all good. Alright, so we're here at Moto Park, and right now we're in the paddock area. Drifting, there's like time attack races and drifting later on, but right now we're in the paddock area, and so there's just set cars. We get some pictures, some cinematics, and then once the actual drifting comes on, then I'll show you guys some of that.
Look at this absolute beast of a car. It's an R8, insanely modded. That front wing was on it earlier, but they took it off, I guess. But we're going over to a turn, so we can get some good angles, and it's right next to a straight on the other side. So from there, we'll have 2 point of views, but so should be a good spot. Right, so we got the media credentials, signed up, and we're here on the drift track right now, and we're just gonna get some sick shots. Gonna post a lot of them on Instagram, so check them out there because they're not all going to be in the video. But yeah, so the cars are going to start coming around now, and then I'm real up close, so I'll get some pretty thick shots, and then I don't really think much else is going to happen after this, so I'll probably head out, and that'll be it for this episode until rally. But yeah, so it's really bright out, and hope you guys enjoy some drifting. I just got absolutely showered by those rocks right there from that car. But I'm probably gonna start heading out now. It's starting to end, and I want to get out of here at a reasonable time. So I'm probably gonna start heading out now. But my next event is gonna be Rally Finland, and so I'll have a lot of coverage on that too. Another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's my first video like this, and I hope to make a lot more because I go to a lot of stuff like this. But if you enjoyed, just let me know, and I hope to make some more content like this in the future. But thank you guys for watching, and peace. Subscribe. Yeah. Ciao.